practicum of law enforcement at La Joya High School and the other two comprehensive high schools consists of preparing the student for real-life experience when it comes to serving and protecting the community. It comes with a level 2 security officer certification that preps them with the skills needed to work at your local mall, at the retail stores.
This is a law enforcement practicum class at La Joya High School, and what we do is we learn how to maintain safety for the people around us and have an overall great experience with students and be the eyes and ears on the campus. We will be getting the level 2 security guard certification. We will be able to work at malls, retail stores, just anywhere that requires safety. I believe that going to college will help me pursue what I want to get in a career, and I would like to thank La Joya ISD for the great law enforcement program they have provided us.
This program opens up many opportunities when it comes to the federal, state, and local levels. By the time my students graduate, they graduate with 1 or 2 applications at federal level, which is Border Patrol, Customs. Some of them are even looking into the forensic aspect of it in the FBI. And we invite any student that is willing to serve and protect the community, local, state, or federal, to come and join the law enforcement program at La Joya ISD.